Hello student, how are you? Fine? Okay. Today I am discuss with you the topic land sustain. We know that the land is a natural resources and it's necessary to use on land carefully. A scientific report, according to the scientific reports, identify the modern farming methods is a very overuses of the land. Due to the modern farming methods, there is a decline in the fertilities of the land. Due to the uses of the fertilizers and the pesticides, this decrease the fertile capacity of the soil. After the green revolution, uh, so many sectors areas are used modern farming methods to increases the food gains and the food quantities. So it's used the more and the heavy quantity of the fertilizers and the pesticides, which decreases in the land fertile capacity. In the remains, that is the it's not the remains, that is the continue, that process is the continuous being on, that is the decrease the fertile capacities and the land, and that land is not uses to the agriculture purpose. And after some times there is the must important to recover the fertile capacities of the land. When the natural resources are declined, there is a more tough work to recover its just like a water. When we use the waters unnecessary, that's the water level, yani water table is the decreases in the one times the water table is the low, that's very tough to the recover it. Just like a soil, a fertile capacity is decreases, it is not possible to turn a natural. So we uses the fertile capacities of the land, production capacities of the lands in efficient manners. Due to the overuses of the land's fertile capacities decreases. So at times land is not sustained because its fertile capacity decrease. The next generations are the not a more uses of this lands because its fertile capacity is decreases, and after all there is the no production capacities are hence in this land. So we are uses the lands in a effective manner, then it is possible to the land is sustained. When we use the